Real, live changes to the actual DOM. Let's watch a real element genuinely change in front of us. This real method genuinely finds the actual first matching real element in the page. This real call genuinely adds an actual real CSS class without touching any of the element's other real classes. This real assignment genuinely replaces the actual real text inside the element. This real style change genuinely updates the actual real element directly, visible immediately. Query selector genuinely returns the real first matching element or null. ClassList.add/remove/toggle genuinely manage real CSS classes without disturbing others. Direct style text content changes genuinely update the real page immediately, no re-render step. Open DevTools on your own real site and change one real element's class list live. Next, the real fetch API, hitting an actual real server.